The ketogenic diet, or keto, is everywhere you look. From magazine covers to social media feeds, it's become synonymous with rapid weight loss. But is it all hype? As a doctor, I'm always wary of quick fix solutions. So, I decided to delve deeper into the science behind keto. Keto's popularity stems from its effectiveness in shedding pounds. Unlike traditional diets that restrict calories, keto focuses on changing the way your body burns fuel. By drastically reducing carbohydrates, you force your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. This shift from burning glucose, or sugar, to ketones, which is fat, is the cornerstone of the keto diet. It's a radical change, but one that proponents claim can lead to significant weight loss and other health benefits. But before you jump on the bandwagon, it's crucial to understand what you're getting into. Keto is not a fad diet. It's a lifestyle change that requires commitment and careful planning. In the following sections, we'll explore the ins and outs of keto, examine the scientific evidence, and hear from real people who've experienced its effects firsthand. Imagine your body as a car. Most of the time, it runs on glucose, the fuel derived from carbohydrates. But what happens when you drastically reduce your carb intake? Your body needs an alternative energy source, and that's where ketones come in. Ketones are produced by the liver when you restrict carbohydrates. Without enough glucose from carbs, your body turns to stored fat as its primary fuel. This metabolic state, called ketosis, is the driving force behind keto's weight loss potential. In ketosis, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. Instead of relying on readily available glucose, it taps into your fat reserves for energy. This shift in fuel utilization can lead to significant weight loss, especially in the initial stages of the diet. However, achieving and maintaining ketosis requires strict adherence to a high-fat, very low-carbohydrate diet. This means drastically reducing your intake of sugary drinks, bread, pasta, and even some fruits and vegetables. Like any popular diet, keto comes with its fair share of misconceptions and concerns. One common worry is the so-called keto flu. During the initial phase of keto, some people experience flu-like symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and nausea. These symptoms are often attributed to the body's adjustment to burning fat for fuel instead of glucose. While uncomfortable, the keto flu is typically short-lived, lasting a few days to a week. Staying hydrated and getting enough electrolytes can help alleviate these symptoms. Another concern is the restrictive nature of the keto diet. With its emphasis on high-fat foods, some worry about the potential impact on heart health. It's important to note that not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts, should be prioritized over saturated and trans fats. Additionally, keto's limited fruit and vegetable intake can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned. While weight loss is often the primary motivator for trying keto, the diet has been linked to other potential health benefits. Some studies suggest that keto may improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. By reducing carbohydrate intake, keto helps regulate blood sugar levels and may reduce the need for medication in some individuals. However, it's crucial to consult with a doctor before making any dietary changes, especially if you have a pre-existing medical condition. Beyond diabetes, keto has shown promise in reducing seizures in people with epilepsy. While the exact mechanisms are still being studied, The diet's ability to alter brain chemistry may play a role in its anti-seizure effects. Emerging research also suggests that keto may have neuroprotective effects, potentially benefiting conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. Section 5. Science says. Keto's impact on the scales. So, what does the scientific evidence say about keto's weight loss effectiveness? Numerous studies have investigated the diet's impact on body weight, and the results are, well, pretty promising. A 2013 study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that individuals following a keto diet lost more weight than those on a low-fat diet. Participants on the keto diet also experience greater reductions in body mass index, or BMI, and body fat percentage. Another study published in the journal Obesity Reviews analyzed data from 13 clinical trials and found that keto diets led to significant short-term weight loss. The researchers concluded that keto diets were more effective for weight loss than low-fat diets and may also improve other health markers. However, it's important to note that most studies on keto have been conducted over relatively short periods. Long-term research is needed to determine the diet's sustainability and potential long-term effects on health. Section 6. Confessions of a keto convert. Real people, real results. Beyond the science, real-life testimonials offer compelling insights into the keto experience. Sarah, a 35-year-old mother of two, had struggled with her weight for years. After trying countless diets, she stumbled upon keto and decided to give it a go. I was skeptical at first, but the weight started coming off almost immediately, Sarah recalls. Within the first month, I lost 15 pounds and had more energy than I'd had in years. John, a 42-year-old businessman, had always been active but struggled to lose those last few pounds. He turned to keto to improve his body composition and enhance his athletic performance. I was amazed by how quickly my body adapted to burning fat for fuel, John says. My endurance improved, and I felt sharper mentally. These are just two examples of the many success stories associated with the keto diet. While individual results may vary, these testimonials highlight the diet's potential to transform lives. Section 7. Week 1. My keto journey begins. Intrigued by the science and inspired by real-life stories, I decided to embark on my own 30-day keto challenge. The first week was all about adjusting to a drastically different way of eating. Out went bread, pasta, rice, and sugary treats. In came healthy fats, lean proteins, and low-carb vegetables. Meal prepping became my savior, ensuring I had keto-friendly options readily available. The initial days were challenging. I experienced the dreaded keto flu with its accompanying fatigue and headaches. Drinking plenty of water and electrolyte-rich beverages helped, but I couldn't wait for this adjustment phase to pass. By day 4, something remarkable happened. The fog lifted, my energy levels soared, and I felt mentally sharper than I had in weeks. This unexpected surge in energy was a welcome surprise and kept me motivated to push through the remaining days of week 1. Section 8. Week 2. Conquering cravings and finding my rhythm. As week 2 commenced, I found myself settling into a keto groove. The initial carb cravings had subsided, replaced by a newfound appreciation for healthy fats and flavorful proteins. I experimented with keto-friendly recipes, discovering delicious alternatives to my former carb-laden favorites. cauliflower rice became my go-to substitute for rice, while zucchini noodles satisfied my pasta cravings. I learned to get creative with spices and herbs, transforming simple ingredients into culinary delights. One unexpected challenge was navigating social situations that revolved around food. Dinner parties and restaurant outings required careful planning and often meant politely declining tempting but off-limits dishes. However, I found that most people were understanding and supportive of my dietary choices. Section 9. Week 3. Plateaus, Progress and Unexpected Energy. Week 3 brought about a plateau on the scale. After the initial rapid weight loss, my progress seemed to stall. This is a common experience on keto, as the body adjusts to its new metabolic state. It's important to remember that weight loss is not always linear and that fluctuations are normal. Instead of focusing solely on the number on the scale, I shifted my attention to how I felt. My energy levels remained consistently high, and I found myself waking up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. My mental clarity was also noticeably improved, and I sailed through work tasks with ease. These non-scale victories were a testament to the positive impact keto was having on my overall well-being. Section 10. Week 4. Reflecting on the challenge and my transformation. As my 30-day keto challenge drew to a close, I couldn't help but reflect on the transformative journey I had undergone. Not only had I lost a significant amount of weight, but I had also gained a newfound appreciation for the power of nutrition. Keto had taught me the importance of listening to my body, making conscious food choices, and prioritizing my health. While I didn't experience any miraculous overnight transformations, the gradual yet consistent changes were undeniable. My clothes fit better, my energy levels soared, and my mental clarity was sharper than ever. More importantly, I had developed a sustainable approach to eating that I could see myself maintaining long term. Section 11. Keto. Is it right for you? So, is the keto diet right for you? As with any dietary change, it's essential to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine if keto aligns with your individual health needs and goals. Keto is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's not without its challenges. It requires commitment, discipline, and careful planning. However, for those who are willing to embrace the lifestyle changes, keto can be an effective tool for weight loss and overall health improvement. Whether you're considering keto for its weight loss potential, its other purported health benefits, or simply out of curiosity, remember to approach it with a balanced perspective and prioritize your well-being above all else.